Hello, everybody. Welcome back. I'm Antriksh, and today I'm going to teach you something different. I will be a language tutor. Yup, using ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you how we can actually use ChatGPT to just smother any language, just sail through it and be an expert in that language. Now, of course, there are the traditional routes. There are the modern traditional routes wherein you can learn a language with an institute in distance and stuff like that. But you can use pretty much ChatGPT to a level wherein you can converse in that language at a pretty good level. So for personal reasons and stuff, if you don't want certifications and stuff, this is the exact place for you. I'm just going to show you. Let's jump right into it, right? So you can see on the screen.
You, you, and you all are fired. And you are getting promoted. Can you explain me how did you get promoted?
Simple, because I've been using ChatGPT and other AI tools, I'm being able to do all of that work single-handedly.
And who taught you all this?
This guy.
We are just going to say, right, we'd be a bit cheerful and say, hi, I am a beginner in then the name of the language. So we're going to take Spanish for now. Spanish language. Create a custom unique plan for me to learn the language at lessons and sources. So just be as in-depth as possible. The duration is 5 months, right? We're going to take 20 weeks, right? So let's see what it gives us. Creating a custom 5-month plan to learn Spanish as a beginner involves several key components, including setting realistic goals, right? Resources. So this is step one, basically, just getting your plan first of all, right? What the plan is actually. So we're just going to do that, right? So while it's actually making the plan for us, I would just like to request all of you guys' attention to this. Now, this is the 2-hour, 3-hour masterclass for ChatGPT and AI tools, which is going to absolutely take you in the top 1% of you GPT users, AI tools, to 10x your career. The link is in the description. The link is in right down. Just click there, sign up for the workshop. Best part, you know what? It's just for 9 rupees. Yup. For quite some time now, and you can just click on it and, next thing you click on it very quickly and sign up for the workshop. What is there to lose for only 9 rupees? It's proven to reduce at least 2 hours of work every day. It's going to 10x your skills. See, AI is not going to replace us. Of course, AI is not, but a person using AI certainly will. So secure your future with us here at Be10x and join the workshop now for just 9 rupees. Let's unpack into this. There you go, week 1920. So we're almost there. We can read it from your right. So, right. Creating a custom 5-month plan. Month 1, introduction and basics. Familiarize yourself with Spanish sounds, basic vocabulary, and simple phrases. Audio learning. Start with an audio-based program like Slur or Rosetta Stone to get used to Spanish pronunciation. Vocabulary will use apps like Duolingo or Memorize. Of course, that's pretty nice. Grammar basics. Begin a structured online course like the Spanish course on Coursera or Babbel. All right. So what we've done here is we've actually told it to give us resources. That's why it's giving us some of them here. But you can absolutely learn stuff from here as well. Create a plan in which I mostly require only GPT. Keep rest of the instructions same. Right now it's going to load us, right? Not us, but just a plan, right? So we're going to wait for it. Right, so we're done. We're going to just go here. Just give me a second, guys. Right. So get familiar with Spanish sounds, basic vocabulary. Use GPT to stimulate basic conversation in Spanish. Start with greetings, vocabularies, right? Vocabulary building. Ask GPT to provide a list of 10 basic English words, daily words, expanding vocabulary, and understanding grammar. Use GPT for grammar. So it's basically given us the whole course. Now the second step here is using the Pareto principle. What's the Pareto principle? It basically says you do 20% of the things and it'll cover 80% of your whole target. So just learning, knowing 20% of Spanish words can actually do good with 80% of the language. So we're going to ask GPT here as well. Give us the 100 most used words and phrases in Spanish and a plan to learn them. Also give their phonetic pronunciations in English, right? Let's see what it gives us. So we're waiting for it to actually give us this. Give us the 100 most used words and phrases in Spanish and a plan to learn them, learn them. Also give their phonetic pronunciations in English, right? See, there you go. There you go. 100 most used words and phrases in Spanish. See, yes, see, that's the no, that's the pronunciation. Hola. It's not hola, it's hola. Adios. It's adios, adios, adios. Right? I you know what? I don't know Spanish. I've just taken it for an instance, but I'm just por favor, right? Gracias. See, there you go. ¿Cómo estás? Now this looks so intimidating. If this was not there, right? If this was not there, this hole was not there, this would have looked so intimidating because question mark, what's all of that, right? So you know that, of course, you can go out there and you can copy this plan, you can follow it, and then you can take each step and then ask this, but this is the best way for me, right? I'm just going to stop it for now to just sort of show this, right, till here. Now, the third step will be using a software called Anki. Now, of course, I'm not going to depict it here. It's just a sort of a flashcard making software wherein, you need to put in text which comes in front and then in back. So it's going to make flashcards out of it. So there could be a phrase, there could be a word like this or anything, there, and then you press, and then it's going to show you the English translation, or maybe the English word, and then you need to say out the Spanish word, and then so Anki, right? So what you're going to do is you have to put in all of this, but this is going to be such a task for you to put each and every word, each and every phrase into the Anki software. Just make sure data analysis is on. We don't need to go and on it now, turn it on, because it's just done now. So all you're going to do is you're going to copy all of this, turn all this into an Anki file, right? You just have to do this. This is step 3, and it's going to do it for you. Let's see. Sure, I can create an Anki deck for you with the 100 most used, right? There you go. 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 Once ready, I'll provide you with the download file. Hold on for a bit. So it's actually going on and making it. So we're just going to wait for it to give us. It's analyzing, right? So we've gotten done with it. Of course, there was an error, in importing into the Anki file. Maybe this is because, it has 2-3 elements, which is the phonetic English sound as well, the Spanish translation, the English translation. So that's why, but it did create us this CSV file. And then there was another network error or something when it was trying to tell us how to actually use it into Anki. Now we know how to use it. Just go on new, create flashcards, import, and then you're done, right? The browser location, of course, is going to be in our laptop. So this is the way we have 100 most common Spanish words and phrases and their English phonetic translation, pronunciation, I beg your pardon. And then boom, we're done. We're good to go. Now on to the fourth step, right? Right. So now step 4, it was looking a bit sort of crowded. And now can you have a conversation in Spanish featuring the 100 most used words and phrases of the language. Absolutely, we can have a conversation with 100 most used. There you go. Right. Wait. Let's just direct it. One dialogue at a time. Also give the English translation and phonetic pronunciation. Right? There you go. Got it. We'll take one dialogue at a time, providing the English translation and the phonetic pronunciation for Spanish phrase. Yo, hola, ¿cómo estás? Right. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Right. Feel free to ask for translation. Wait, let's just reply in English. I am good. What's up? Let's just reply in English and see. Great. Here's your response in Spanish along with. Oh, so it's actually telling us, right? Oh, it's not a strict teacher, right? It's not a strict teacher, but yeah. Don't wait. Let's tell it. Don't accept replies in English. Strictly Spanish. Oh, it's actually taken it as part of a dialogue. So anyway, so you can have conversations there you go, and then once you've learned the whole words using Anki and all of them, then you can have a conversation. If you're actually stuck in somewhere, it's actually going to give you the whole reciprocation of whatever phrases you're going to throw out, and it's actually going to translate it for you. So there you go. I mean, these are the 4 steps, and trust me here, if you actually follow these, this should be more than enough to make you more than capable of speaking, at least having a conversation with a native person. I believe that. So yeah, that was learning a language using GPT. Thank you so much to everyone who tuned in. Don't forget to check the link down below and access our 2-hour workshop in which you can get access, sign up for just 9 rupees. So do that, and I'll speak to you guys in a bit. Cheers.